Nevada foreclosure numbers have doubled, tripled, and in some cases quadrupled from 2 years ago. Let me show you why nobody's panicking. This is a monthly graph of every new foreclosure listing to come on the market since 2006. This is all of Clark County, all property types, all sizes, all prices, etc. Some of you might remember that between 2008 and 2012, the majority of what you could buy was a bank-owned foreclosure. An average of about 1,000 a month were coming on the market. Now, 2019 was an ancient, long ago era that most of us think of as the last normal year. Before the pandemic, it was very common to see 40 and 50 homes hitting the market as foreclosures in Clark County every month. Well, here we are now sitting at 28 new foreclosure listings. Is that more than in 2021? I mean, yeah, but it's less than normal, and it doesn't feel completely honest to suggest it's the end of the world as we know it. Instead of new listings, if we look at how many went into contract, we have a similar looking graph. And if we look at how many foreclosures closed each month, it looks exactly the same. Now, the next graph starts in 2013, which is here. So to keep the scale in mind, you're just looking here and beyond on this graph. Some foreclosures don't get transferred or sold through the open market multiple listing service. These are the complete numbers as recorded by the City of Las Vegas. For any given property in the foreclosure process, the first thing that happens is a notice of default, then a notice of trustee sale, then the final step is the transfer of the trustee deed. In June 2019, there were 52 notices of default, 49 notices of trustee sale, and 33 trustee deeds. That's more foreclosures in a normal market than today, where we have 48, 32, and 11. While the headlines may suggest that Nevada is facing a foreclosure crisis reminiscent of the Great Depression, the data tells a different story. We can't hit those kinds of numbers because ninja loans were basically eradicated around 2010. Banks were giving 80-20 loans, meaning no down payment from the borrower, without verifying how much income a borrower made or how much assets they had in the bank. No income, no assets, Nina. We only started calling them ninja loans after the crash because with no down payment, many of these borrowers disappeared without a trace. Thanks for joining us today as we give some perspective to Nevada's foreclosure landscape. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on real estate trends and market updates.